you scared?
She's a green with her bow. That's Coco. Oh, don't let her in your purse. She'll steal. She's bad.
Do you want this bird? Yeah? Oh, there's one more. I'm like a bird magnet.
You got Buzz.
No, don't throw it. Oh, okay. Okay, should I take a video of Mama? Can you hold this phone and take a video of Mama? With the bird on my head.
Here, I can.
Just hold it for a second. Alright. Oh, wonderful.
Would somebody like to hold a bird? Would you like to hold a bird?
How many birds does Mama have right now?
You can also get worms, and you can feed a lot of these birds up here. They'll come take the worms from your hand.
Okay. What's going on? Oh. Is everything gone? Okay.
They are roadrunner relatives.